In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image brightness in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know how to brighten specific parts of an image or create a moodier feel using OpenArt's in-painting tools and text prompts. Start on the OpenArt homepage and hover over the image section to reveal your editing options. From there, choose Edit Image to open the workspace where we'll make all our adjustments. Now bring in the photo you want to work on. You can drag and drop it straight into the window, or click the Upload button and select your file from your computer. Once it appears on the canvas, you're ready to target the area that needs a brightness change. Select the In-Paint tool. In-Painting lets you apply AI-driven changes to only the parts you highlight, which is perfect for brightening a face, lifting shadows in the background, or toning down an overexposed spot without affecting the rest of the image. Use your brush to paint over the area you want to adjust. If your selection feels too tight or too loose, adjust the brush size and brush over the area again until it's clean and well covered. A softer, slightly larger brush often blends better around edges. Next, add a short text prompt that describes the lighting change you want. Keep it clear and simple. Phrases like "brighten this area," "soft bounce lighting," or "candlelight brightness" work well. If you want a subtle lift, mention "soft" or "gentle." For stronger changes, use words like "increase brightness" or "well lit." Choose the model that will generate your result. You'll see options like Quick, Premium Flux, Pro, and Advanced. For most straightforward brightness tweaks, Quick or Premium is ideal and will render faster. If you're working with complex textures, tricky lighting, or need finer control, Pro or Advanced can be helpful, but expect longer processing times. Before generating, adjust the prompt adherence. This setting controls how strictly the AI follows your prompt versus preserving the original image details. Lower adherence keeps more of the original look. Higher adherence pushes harder on your brightness prompt. Set it based on how dramatic you want the change to be. Decide how many images you want to generate. Asking for a few variations can help you compare subtle differences in lighting and pick the one that looks most natural. When everything looks good, click Create. Now wait while the AI processes the request. The timing depends on the model you selected and how many variations you requested. That's it. Using in-painting, a focus prompt, and the right model, you can adjust image brightness in OpenArt quickly and precisely.